The story of Ganesha's wisdom. Ganesha had a brother, Kartikeya. Both would get along well, but just like other siblings, they would have moments of arguments and fights. One day, both Ganesha and Kartikeya were roaming around in the forest. Look at that fruit! It seems unique. Yes, I have never seen such a fruit before. Let's get that fruit. Both of them ran towards the tree and grabbed the fruit at the same time. This fruit belongs to me. I saw it first. No, it belongs to me. I touched it first. Both of them started arguing over the fruit. They refused to share it with each other and started claiming the fruit for themselves. Finally, they decided to ask their parents. So both of them went home. When they reached Mount Kailash, they showed the fruit to Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Mother, this is my fruit. I saw it first. No, it is mine. I touched it first. Lord Shiva recognized the fruit and said, this fruit is known to grant immortality and extensive knowledge when eaten by the rightful bearer of it. I think we should divide the fruit in two parts and give it to both of them. No, one has to eat the whole fruit to acquire its power. I am the elder brother, so I should get the fruit. I am the younger brother, so I should get the fruit. Lord, now you decide who should get this fruit. I think we should call Narad Muni. He will definitely find a solution. Lord Shiva called Narad Muni. Narayan, Narayan, Pranam. Why did you call me? Goddess Parvati explained the situation to Narad Muni. Narayan, Narayan. To choose who gets it, I propose a challenge. Okay, both of you have to go around the universe 3 times. Whoever would do so and return to Mount Kailash first will win and he would be the rightful owner of the fruit. I think that is a good idea. Okay, we accept the challenge. Kartikeya immediately hopped onto his vehicle Peacock and flew in full speed to complete 3 revolutions around the universe. Ganesha thought for a while. My vehicle, the mouse, cannot fly, and even if he runs very fast, he will not be able to defeat the peacock. I will have to think of some other plan. As an idea struck Ganesha's mind, he smiled. Ganesha started walking around Shiva and Parvati. Lord Shiva, Goddess Parvati, and Narad Muni were amused to see what little Ganesha was doing. After completing 3 rounds around his father and mother, Ganesha stood in front of them. Father, I have completed 3 rounds around the universe. Now can I get the fruit? You took 3 rounds around us. How can you say that you have completed 3 rounds around the universe? You have not even left Kailash. It is not necessary for me to leave Kailash and travel around the universe. The Vedas and Puranas bear witness to the fact that the universe is contained within the two of you. And for me, my parents are my entire universe. So by circling the two of you, I have circled the whole universe. So I have won the challenge. Since what Ganesha had said was correct, Shiva and Parvati accepted Ganesha as the winner. At the same moment, Kartikeya arrived on his peacock. Father, Mother, I have circled the universe 3 times. Very good, son, but Ganesha has already won the challenge. How is it possible? I never saw Ganesha circling even once. Narad Muni explained Kartikeya what Ganesha had done. Kartikeya believed that he himself was the rightful winner. He was unhappy and left Kailash to stay in Palani hills. My son Ganesha, you are the winner. You can have this fruit. Shiva, Parvati, and Narad Muni were touched and impressed by Ganesha's wisdom. Shiva and Parvati blessed Ganesha. Ganesha happily ate the fruit.
I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.